Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi the Math Tutor. I'm your Naresa. Now I'm going to explain about the construction of angle 120 degrees by using compass and a ruler. For this, first we need to draw a ray OX of any length. Now take the compass and with the center to O as a center and any radius slightly more than half of the length of OX ray and draw an arc with intersecting OX at A point. So next, with the same radius with A as a center, draw another arc which got the previous arc at point M. Now next, M as a center, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at point B. Now join O to B to get a required angle BOA whose measure 120 degrees. Now angle BOA measures 120 degrees. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel to get more notifications.